Hello guys, today I'm going to be starting a program called Coding Wednesday. Every other Wednesday I'm going to be making a coding video. In between I might release more content of other kinds of stuff, but every other Wednesday is going to be a coding video. Maybe if it catches on every Wednesday, but let's start with every other Wednesday. We're going to start with the basics, which is the basics, yeah. We're going to use HTML, JavaScript, and maybe some CSS, which is for web development, and then maybe towards the end we can work with Java, which is for app development, maybe Unity, and maybe Python, which is like the cyber stuff. So yeah, let's get into this. You're going to want to open any text editor you have on your computer. I'm going to use Notepad. Next lesson I'll show you how to download Vim, which is meant for coding. It's a text editor meant for coding. So let's start with this. HTML is not case sensitive, but some aspects of it are, and CSS I'm pretty sure is. So you just want to be careful. You might as well just do capitals because it can hurt. So we're going to want to start by typing doc type, just like this, then HTML. Just like that, and that's going to open, and now we're going to want to open our first script, which is HTML. This is like a class. Now let's open our head, right? Just like that, and now we've opened all the classes. One more, title, which I'll show you what it does soon, but that's right. Hello world. Just like that, and then we're going to want to write title again, but we're going to end it. Just we need to add that, and then we write title. That's how you end a class. Done. Now we're going to want to close our head title. Sorry, I forgot the H. So there, we've closed our head. We're going to leave our HTML open because that's how we start. Now let's open our body, which is the web page. Body, and now let's start with our header. H1, H for header, 1 is the type. If we want to get into that, it's more CSS, like the kind of design, you can change that a lot, but we're not going to do that. 1, 2, 3, you can experiment with them, but they're just all kinds of different. Headers, different fonts, all that kind of stuff. So my first header, just like that, and then we're going to want to close it. H1, and there we go. Now we're going to add a P1, which stands for paragraph. 1, just like I said, it's the kind of font and size. My first paragraph, just like that. And this is what I'm going to show you in the first video. Like I said, next video I'll teach you how to download the editor and a few other stuff. And now we need to close, right? Because we can't just leave them open. It won't work. So we're going to close our body, which just like that. And we closed our body. Don't forget we left HTML open at the beginning, not doc type, just HTML. At least we get there. And there we go. That's it for the code. Now let's save. As I'm going to save it to downloads. You can save it to your desktop, anywhere really. So let's call it my first code. Okay, you see how it says text documents here? We don't want that. So it doesn't give me a choice for HTML. Just leave it like that. But we're going to add a .html, which will basically cancel the text documents. So it leaves us like this. Let's save. And da-da. Let's close this. and let's go to our files. My first code, it might not show Chrome if this is your first time coding. You have to set that as your default, but you're going to want to go to open with, go to your browser, make sure your browser is supported with HTML. It is, but with other things it will be fine. Just open your browser. If it's not shown here, press choose another app, and if you don't, then you can go to Microsoft Store. If I do Notepad, that will just show me the code, but if I do Google Chrome, it will show. See, so we did hello world in the head, and that was the title, so it shows here. Maybe we can show how to do the picture another time, but for now, like this. This was the H1, the header, and my first paragraph was the paragraph. Pretty cool, isn't it? Next time, this is what I've coded over time. It's voice recognition. Like, if you search, it's like a Google search, so if I were to say, hello, it will
Searching for hello.
there, so it looks it up, just like that. This is something I coded a while ago, but maybe in the end we can get to something in here. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.